Good afternoon. Another snow foam cannon, full of them. This one is from Joy Detail, and they've sent 2 little air fresheners in the box with it. It's full of bits, this one is, and it cost a whole £11.27. Again from Alibaba Bar. Go to the barbers, it's cheap. Oh dear, I'm shaky. Great instructions. Fabulous instructions with it. You know always I don't do instructions. Don't like instructions. But there you go. There's your instructions. So, that's it, we're done with them. I've had to open these because all of these packages were sealed properly. It was a really nice job. Now look at this. Look at this. 11 quid. Proper silicone tube with a stainless steel gravity ball. Quarter-inch quick connect stainless steel. Oh, it's tight. Oh, it's tight. God, it's tight. That's tight. Crikey. Didn't need to be that tight. Got an O-ring, rubber O-ring on it. 1.2 orifice, I think. By the look of it. Said orifice. Yep. Look at that. We've even got threads in here for a bottle. So we could screw another bottle on here, look. Like this. Sandy. Large container bottle. We have the breather vent so that it shouldn't leak. Fantastic knob on the top. Nice. Doesn't feel like it's got an O-ring in it, but it's nice and smooth. Little bit wobbly. It's a bit like that. Yeah, a bit like that. Not like that. Like that. That's nice. Oh, it's clicky. Listen. It's a clicker. I like clickers. That's nice. That's a nice one. Right. How do we get the... that's nice and smooth. Beautiful, that is. Nice movement on that. The plastic's beautiful and thick. I can't first off see. I'll have to use the instructions. This is not good. Part 2, plastic part. Plastic part 1, plastic part 2. I think I found out how to do it. It tells you in here, it's got an iron wire, but it looks to me like it screws off. Well, it's screwing off anyway. It has got an iron wire. There's the foam maker, the filter. It's right there. It's right just there. Oops. Oh, that's nice. Stainless steel. That's lovely. That's quality. This is amazing. This is for 11 quid. Crikey. God. Single foam maker filter. That's solid stainless steel, that. Look at that. It's got a double taper. Look. That's like the Venturion. That's what makes the foam. When it comes in, speeds up the air and the flow over the filter, and that's what makes the foam. So there you go. It's like a carburettor. So that will slip in there somewhere. Look, in those grooves. I would imagine that these two here, those two will go in, and those two will go in those. We've got 4 slots there. So we'll put them in like that. Love it how I've got to take things to pieces. I had to do this when I was a kid, take everything to pieces. No, not good with clock. Well, okay with clocks, not good with watches. Watches don't go back together. Well, depends what parts of watches. If it's a mechanical watch and all the bits come out, all the springs and everything, they don't generally go back together. They don't work again anyway. So, yeah. Too many small parts. Can't see where they all go. Do you know, that's weird. That a normal one, you can feel the O-ring holding it, and on this one you can't. So it wants to make you nip it because the O-ring isn't grabbing it properly. So it's making you want to nip it up. So you nip it up a bit, and that's strange, and that's why they nipped it up. So that's why it was tight. So here we go, let's pop that on there. That's a nice touch. I've never seen one the silicone the colour of the part before. Let's have a look at the container now, shall we? We're getting there with this, aren't we? Very nice. Very nice. This is high quality, this is. Mind you, when you paid your taxes on it and everything, it's nowhere near 11 quid, I can tell you that. You've got to bring more than one item over to get your money's worth. I can tell you this is accurate. I can tell you I've had it out the box. I do a bit of homework before we start. That fits on there beautifully, look at that. So quarter turn lock. So it's absolutely beautiful, and it's really, really stable. Look at that. That is not going to tip over. Every Canon, you know, you see them these days. I mean, that's really going for it, isn't it? But look. It is very stable. That is a good stable Canon, and that plastic. It doesn't say that it's PET on it, but you know what? I bet it is. It's not very thick though. It's thin. It's thin, that is. So I think if you drop it, I think you've got a broken one. But it's a hell of a nice thing, that is. Hell of a nice thing. Right. I'm going to put some foam in it. It saves. Orifice is 1.2 pressure. If your pressure is below 120 psi, I recommend that you replace the nozzle with a smaller one. So I think they mean bar, not psi. Psi is like nothing. Sorry, 1200 psi. I'm miles off here. Okay. Okay.
Wait a second. You're a bit close. Can you just...
Okay then. Yep. Okay. Here's with the 1.2 orifice. This is 4 ounces to, well, half a litre of water, and that's the mixed. Adams recommend. There we go. That is good snow foam. That is great snow foam. That's at 180 bar with a 1.2 jet in that. That is. So now I'm going to swap that down. I'm going to pop in there quite quickly. And just hold it a second. Okay, so now we're going to pop in this a 1. That's ridiculous. I've got a 1.2 orifice in a 1.1 bag. Just a minute. Just put in a 1.1 jet in this now. And then I'm going to reduce the pressure down to 130 bar so that you people with the lower power pressure washers can see what sort of snow foam you can get from this type of snow foam cannon. With the same mixture of shampoo, you know, the Adams shampoo used as a snow foam. Like I say, stop doing the PIR for now because a lot of people are wanting to do it. Some of the ways that people are saying on the bottles mix so many ounces with it, so we're doing that way for a bit. That's marvellous. Not quite so great, look, it's not quite so thick, and you can see it's not got the power, but it's great. I mean, you're not going to have the power, it's 50 bar less, but it's marvellous. It's got great snow foam. What more do you expect? If you've got a pressure washer that's got 50 bar less, you're bound to have less foam. But that's pretty damn good, isn't it? Come on, you can't moan about that. That's bloody brilliant, that is. If you go to the barbers and go and buy half a dozen bits and bobs, your tax and your import duties are a lot cheaper, and you can bring yourself some nice bits and bobs over. Just be careful of what you buy because some of it is absolute rubbish, and some of it's fake and not good. So be prepared to be stung. But apart from that, you get some great stuff. I mean, that's bloody marvellous, isn't it? That's £11, the other one's £4, and that's great fun, isn't it? Have some good fun with those two. They're going up against the other ones. We're going to put them all together. We're going to have a real good battle all these snow foam cannons together. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one. Subscribe please. See you later. Bye for now.